Good trading day today. Good gains on the portfolios. We were up plus $3,600 roughly in the 50K portfolio, and it had or up around five figures approximately. We have a few positions still open, so around 10K in the 200K portfolio. So nice gains today. We were due for a a gain. We've gone through a losing streak, and so we basically were working on getting back the last 2 days of losses and up on the week potentially at this point in the 200K portfolio. The 50K portfolio has done well. It hasn't traded it so much lately. It was in a drawdown, but it got about half that drawdown back today just on the NASDAQ strategies, gap continuation in Cobra 3. And so good gains today if you're trading those portfolios or strategies in the NASDAQ. I want to show you the market depth indicator. I don't talk about this often. I don't even look at it much. It's one of my indicators, but I can't make a strategy out of it because you can't backtest this data. But you see the blues here. When the blues start to come in when the market's down after it's been pink or red, and I use these colors because they're easier to see on a black screen. And if the market's down, then it's to me, when I saw this, I said, okay, the market's about to go into a smooth rally mode, and in fact, it did. And so it was obvious we were due for one. I thought we'd get one yesterday. We didn't. We got a lot of chop yesterday. We had a lot of chop early today. Oftentimes, we're seeing these smooth trends come on gap continuations and gap ups, but this was an afternoon rally. So that was interesting. Market traded in the NASDAQ above 15,500. Wouldn't be surprised to see a big move up now, another 300 points to 15,700, 15,800 range. But we were due for this rally, and we got one today, and it was good gains on the day. Quickly go over the trades, and then I'll go to the All Strategy Access setup. This is the VPS. This is 200K trades. You see Tick Wave. Cobra 3 up on the day, 60-minute breakout up on the day, Night Trader up on the day, 60-minute breakout short down on the day. NASDAQ is what really did well. You see all these strategies kicking in. Gap continuation 2019, gap continuation 2020, EVP1, it's long, and now it reversed to short right here, but market will probably just close around this area. It'll get out before the close. 60-minute breakout A, 60-minute breakout B, Cobra 3, AT 2020 was the loser on the day. And so a lot of good trades today on this trend. And let's look at crude oil break even, kind of a break even trade on Cobra Crude. We exited our SR counter trend 3B, hit its profit target. Crude oil popped above 72.50. Big move in crude oil. Natural gas, big move up in natural gas. No trades today in that. Gold. This was the negative on the day. Was the gold trade? It continues to I don't know, for it to do this and then rally and then get in again and then to do this again. It's been doing that. So these aren't the only two times, but it's working on gold right now. It's in a cycle. When you hate to get out of something when it's in a cycle. It's doing this, kind of like drawdowns. You hate to get out down here. You don't know. It could go lower, but we're in this portfolio now, and so we've had a good day, and we can give it more room when we have some positive trades in other markets. But we've gone through this drawdown recently in the 200K, and we had a bounce back day, and I am working on a good way to trade gold. It's better to make adjustments if you can get that bounce first. Get that bounce and then maybe make adjustments. I'm not a big fan of gold. If gold continues to act up, I may not even trade gold or silver. No trades in silver though. Copper, no trades. Soybeans, we had a break-even trade in soybeans, and these are the 200K portfolio trades. Here's the 50K portfolio trades. Cobra Crude, you see this trade in gap continuation right here. Big huge trade in gap continuation. And big huge trade in Cobra 3. So that's the VPS setup for what we're looking at. So going over the All Strategy Access that we normally go over, the same workspaces on the research platform are actually a different set than the 200K and 50K. We're going over all the strategies. 60-minute breakout plus 500 per contract, adaptive moving average minus 62.50. Night Trader plus 675, Cobra 3 plus 200 for the profit target and non-profit target version. ES2 plus 675 on Night Trader VSD, VSD long only plus 387.50. Tick Wave big gain plus 12.50 on the day per contract. E-mini NASDAQ Cobra 3 plus 1180, the profit target version plus 1375. Gap continuation plus 2395. The NASDAQ trade, one of the NASDAQ trades of the day. AT2020 NQ minus 725 after trying to short this market. Difficult to short. It's a scenario where it was stopped out right there, kind of like this one. It was stopped out near the high and then it rolled over. This was stopped out near the high, then it rolled over, but then it made its way higher. So may need to increase stop losses sometimes. That's just a side note. Good day overall, though. We already went over the VPS setups for the 200K and 50K. 60-minute breakout A plus 1475, 60-minute breakout B plus 1475. VSD long only plus 940. VSD long short minus 2580. We're not trading all these. We're not trading this one right here. EVP1 NQ, it is plus 1515 on the day. Got long and the day got short. Cobra 3 big stop loss with the profit target plus 1375. Gap continuation big stop loss plus 2395. Viper 2008 plus 1560. Crude oil, Cobra Crude minus 65. Cobra Crude aggressive minus 65. And then plus 195, finally hitting our profit target on Esser Counter Trend 3B crude oil. Days like that you wished you had a much bigger profit target as crude oil traded above 72.50. Inflation continues. Esser Counter Trend 3 is the one we trade. Did not trade on the day though on natural gas. This one did. Plus 475. Esser Counter Trend 2 V2M 5M natural gas. RBOB no trades. Gold frustrating day like we talked about in gold with that stop out in Asia Gold 4. Continues to be a challenging market to trade and invest in, but we believe it. Believe in the cycles. No trades in silver, no trades in copper. Cobra Euro minus 125 on the day. Soybeans break even. And here are the optional. We traded the 60-minute breakout short from this workspace. Down on the day. And here are the old. Haven't looked at exhaust in reverse for a while. No trades today. Got hit pretty hard yesterday. Let's look at yesterday. It got hit hard yesterday. I'm not trading this one right now. I like this strategy in low volatility dip buying markets, but VIX wise we're fairly low, but the number of price movements and ranges doesn't really represent a low VIX. So good trading today. Good to have a winning day after such a long losing streak, and so looking forward to tomorrow's trade. These are the trades for the day on Wednesday, September the 15th, 2021.